FreedomFrenzy works with any type of home-based business to generate a $10,000 monthly marketing budget. Imagine what would happen to your business if you had a marketing and advertising budget of $10,000 per month. We're talking viral internet explosion. FreedomFrenzy addresses the 4 major challenges that face most network marketers. Not enough quality leads, no idea how to successfully market their business, not enough time to learn real marketing strategies that work, not enough cash flow to properly run their business. Let's take a look at some of the FreedomFrenzy power building tools for your business. You're going to get access to a funnel system that does all the heavy lifting for you. This is how it works. You give out your personal URL, they click on your link and go to a capture page. Then they enter their name, email, and phone number. They're taken to a presentation that explains how everything works so you don't have to. They sign up and pay. Congratulations, you have another team member, and all you did was give out your link. The funnel system did everything else for you. You're going to get access to a number of traffic generating courses. It all starts with List Building 101. They say the money is in the list, right? You're going to learn how to build a list. You're going to learn about autoresponders. You're also going to learn about safe lists, how to use them, where to get them, traffic exchanges, how to use online classifieds and signature files. And you're going to get access to everything here for a one-time payment of only $35. That's it. And you can use either Bitcoin or Litecoin. Why do we only take Bitcoin or Litecoin? Because we believe it's a more efficient way to pay for things. We don't have to worry about credit card fraud, credit card chargebacks, PayPal refunds, and the processing fees are next to nothing. It keeps our prices low, and we're 100% global. And don't worry, if you've never heard of Bitcoin or Litecoin, we'll help you with that too. Our next level is the pro level. So now you're going to get List Building 201, which goes more in depth of how to build your list. You're going to learn about forums, Facebook marketing, and that Facebook marketing course is a video course with about 20 videos. That alone is worth more than the value of this whole training itself. You're going to get LinkedIn training, YouTube marketing, Bing pay-per-click, and you're going to get access to all of this for a one-time payment of $120. And again, you can use either Bitcoin or Litecoin. Now, if you really want to take your business to the next level, here's the expert level training where you're going to learn pay-per-click 101, YouTube SEO. You're going to learn all about newspaper advertising, blog posting, Instagram, Telegram, paid solos, and on and on and on. This is just packed with value. In each of these levels, the value exceeds the price. You can get access to this expert level training, all of these courses, for a one-time payment of $550. And again, that's in Bitcoin or Litecoin. Now, not only can you get access to this exceptional training, you can actually earn with us by helping us grow FreedomFrenzy. So now you're thinking, show me the money, right? Okay, it's time to show you the money. We put together a revolutionary, what we call a 2-4 forever plan. I'm going to show you what the 2-4 forever means, and I'm going to show you why it's revolutionary in just a couple slides. So let's start with Joe. He's your trainer. You join Joe's team. There you are. Now, the first person that joins your team, you're going to get 100% commission, whether it's $25, $100, or $500. You're going to get the whole thing, and it's going to go directly to your wallet. It's not going to come to the company and then the company pays you. It's going to go from member to member. So you're in control of your funds all the time. Now, the second person that joins your team, you're going to split that with your trainer. Normally, in a pass-up system, that person would go up to Joe. Joe would get 100% of the funds, and he'd get that person. It would be just like Joe signed him up instead of you. Well, it's different here. Joe doesn't know who that person is, so he can't start promoting to him. Instead of passing up 100%, you're only passing up 50%. So you're going to get paid on every sale you make. That's one of the reasons that makes us revolutionary. This has never been done before. Now the third person, you're going to keep 100%. Whether it's 25, 100, or 500, it's going to go directly to your wallet. The fourth person, you're going to split with Joe again. The next three, you're going to keep 100% of the profits. And the next person, you're going to split with Joe. So do you see why it's called 2-4 forever? The second person you split with Joe, the fourth person, and every fourth person after that. So this can go unlimited width. You can go on and on and on and on. The next three, you're going to get 100%. The next one you split with Joe. The next three, you're going to get 100%. And you get paid on every sale. Now I'm going to put you in Joe's spot. Watch this. There you are. You're in Joe's spot. Now I'm going to show you something that's incredibly powerful. It's called leverage. So there's all the people that joined your team. And you got the 100 and the 50 you shared with Joe. And then you got 150 like that. So when the first person on your team goes and starts getting people on his or her team, that first person, he or she gets 100%, right? The second person is going to be split with you. The third person, he's going to get 100%. The third person is going to be split with you. When you're getting 100% of the sales, those people are going to pass up to you. This goes unlimited depth. It goes to infinity. What I mean by that, and this is really powerful, and if you don't understand it, it's okay, because I'm going to show you an example right away of how powerful this is. Those people that are all circled are going to start splitting their second, fourth, and every fourth commissions with you. And those people are going to keep doing it. And those people are going to keep doing it. And it keeps happening. Unlimited depth. It goes forever. I'm going to show you how this works in an example. It's amazing. Watch this. So here's a 10-week marketing budget plan to make $10,000 a month for whatever business you want to market. Okay, so this is week 1 of the 10-week marketing budget plan. Check this out. Your first week, you're going to get signed up and log into your account. Then you're going to get activated. You can purchase your subscription of $35 and then $120 for the pro and then $550 for the expert. If you want to go all in, you can get all three. But this example I'm going to show you right now, it's 10 weeks. And it's only based on the $35. So you're gonna join at $35 and that's it. So you're gonna set up your Bitcoin and Litecoin wallets so that you can get paid. And if you don't know how to do that, don't worry, we'll show you how. And then you're gonna get 4 people to do the same thing. I put or more there, but this example, it's gonna be easy to get more, believe me. But this example, it's only based on 4 people. And then them getting 4 people and them getting 4 people. And I'm talking 4 people at $35. That's easy. Someone just joined me that doesn't know anything about this industry. They don't know anything about cryptocurrency, but they're intrigued about it. And for $35, they're willing to give it a shot to figure it out. So for $35, it's going to be really easy to get 4 people. With those 4 people, 2 of them, you're going to get 100%. So you're going to get $25. And the other 2, you're going to get $12.50. So that's $75 paid instantly. Now you just spent $35 and you just got $75 back. That's more than double already. And we're just in week 1 here. Some people have done this step in 24 to 48 hours. A friend of mine just did this in 1 hour. You got 4 people in 1 hour for $35. Actually, some of them came in at more than $35. But again, for this example, it's only $35. So just do it. Just go get 4 people at $35 and watch what's going to happen. Week 2, 2 of the people got passed up to you, right? So they're going to get their 4 people and they're going to give you 2 training sales each. So now you're going to have 4 people paying you $12.50. Those are the 50%. So this is not you going out and get 4 more. This is just people passing up to you. So you're going to make $50 instantly in your second week. Look what happens in the next weeks. It's going to keep doubling. So in week 3, you'll make $100, $200 in week 4. But week 6, you're making $800. That's in 1 week. That's just for that week alone, $800. That's just based on 4 people joining your team at $35. And then those people have a whole week to get 4 people to join them at $35. Watch what happens in the latter weeks. Watch this. Week 7, you're going to make $1,600. Week 8, $3,200. Week 9, $6,400. Look at this. Week 10, $12,800 in 1 week. And that's just the first level. I'm not even talking about the pro level or the expert. That's just the $35 level. So let's add this all up. This is what you'd make in each week. When you add this all up, it works out to $25,625. And again, that's just the $35. That's the novice level. 4 people at the novice level. This is what happens in 10 weeks. That's 2.5 months. That works out to $10,000 a month right there. So you can see what's happening here. What would a $10,000 marketing budget do for your business? Maybe you don't even have a business. You can actually use this as a business. You could pay off your house. You could take more vacations. You could go buy a car, whatever you want to do. You don't have to spend it on business, but it's smart to spend it on advertising and marketing and make even more with it, right? Now you have access to the products and the leverage to take your business to the next level. So get started right now. Start with the novice level like I just showed you, or choose all 3. But remember, you're only going to get paid at the level you're at. So if you join at the novice and someone joins your team and they become a novice and then a pro, you're only going to get the novice payment. The pro, the $100, is going to go to someone else. If they join at all 3, the pro and the expert that they pay is going to go to someone else. But hey, it's really easy to get started. You can start for as low as $35. You can upgrade at any time. So go ahead, click the button, get started, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.